Hi everybody, welcome back. I am making cupcakes and a super easy cake. So I'm going to show you very simple tips of how you can make a gorgeous cake for your Memorial Day weekend. So I've got my red, white, and blue cupcakes here. I've got my frosting already in my piping bag. I've got my fruit cut up and my cake is already crumb coated. So let's get started. Okay, so I've just heated up my bench scraper. I ran it under hot water, and this is going to help me get those smoother sides around the cake. And remember, once you have a good side, you can really stop there because there's only going to be one side of your cake that's being shown. Now you can see I left the top edge alone. Now I actually like the way cakes look with that type of rough edge on the top. The easy part now is literally just adding fruit to wherever you'd like it. Chopped strawberries, just sprinkle on the top. So for the extra shine to my Memorial Day cake, I'll be using this Wilton Edible Glitter Spray. It's silver and I think it'll add the perfect touch to this Memorial Day cake. Just lightly press on it. So there we have it, our Memorial Day cake. I'm going to stick this in the fridge and then we'll get started on our cupcakes. Now we're going to get started on our cupcakes. You can see I've used red and blue dye. So this way it just gives me a little bit of an American flag look and I think it's super festive. What we're going to do with these cupcakes is we're actually just going to take our piping bag. I've cut 1/2 inch wide to 1 inch, so it doesn't have to be super wide. I'm just going to get started. There we have it. We have a beautiful Memorial Day cake and beautiful matching cupcakes. And it was so easy to do just using fresh fruit. Thanks again, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Enjoy your Memorial Day.